I got Pokemon cards. Okay, look. This is Snorlax pin collection. Okay, let's open this. Did you have a special way you open it? Let me know in the comments. Or if the comments are disabled, just like the video, if you do have a special way. Or you just open it regular. I have a special way. Just ripping the back. I don't want to rip it because it's nice detail of the box. Just, yeah. Okay. We got it. Let's see. Okay. Let's see our cards we get. Right outside of the box, we see that we get a Snorlax. Let's see when it was from.
Where's the direction?
2020. This is from 2020. Nice. And we have a Snorlax pin. Wow.
What?
Oh, I just said we have a Snorlax pin. Oh, I got good.
We need the directions, Evelyn.
Well, I threw everything away.
Guys, may you.
No,
I'm
go
doing-
do that upstairs.
Sorry for the background noise, but my sister got something too. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. Nice. Okay. 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 Ooh, we got a fire energy.
Snorlax.
Yeah, that's fine.
150?
Okay. Which one should we open next?
This one. This one.
Are we sure about
Yes.
this?
Mm-hmm.
Nah, I think I'll save the bestest one for us.
You know how to open it?
Yeah. This is how I open it.
Yeah, me too. Another garbage one.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
No.
Oh, I need
It's
this.
AAA.
I need this.
Good.
Didn't I say that a long time ago?
Yes, you did.
Nest ball.
I don't think I
Ooh.
have any AAA, Evelyn. Why
Another.
didn't you look at this in the store? Listen to me.
Well, they don't tell you.
Do not use this tiny little screw.
Okay.
Okay.
That's just one for us. This one has to have a wear. If it doesn't, then at least we still got cards. And at least I still need those cards. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Okay. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my goodness! I knew it!
Let me see that. 190!
Oh my god! Yes! Oh my god, I got Mommy! I just got a good card. And it's a V. Let's go. Now? I can't believe this. I actually kind of want to keep the pin. Where did?
Oh, it's right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, okay. Bro, I knew I would get. I saved it for last. You told me you should go first. Yes.
Evelyn, we have no AAA batteries.
Okay, that might have been a short video, but I'm still gonna stay here to put in my card guide. Let's go.
Don't break it.
straight up, we got
I don't know.
a V. Let's go.
Why
Bruh.
don't you wait until, let's see what Daddy wants for lunch. And then we'll go.
Bruh, straight up,
Give me 1 minute. Give me 1
straight
minute.
up, I'm gonna take out this just like lame card. This lame card. Boom. Evelyn, you could have that card.
I already have it.
Bruh, I got a V. I got a V in this.
You got Charizard?
Well, that one's Charizard. Okay, we're gonna put all my cards in. So, guys,
Oh, I have one for you.
okay, I could put that in my trainer spot. Okay. Bruh, I can't believe I got a V. That's pretty rare.
I got a V too.
Yeah, you got V too once. Once she got V off camera, and we were going crazy about it, right? Remember we were going crazy
Yeah,
about it?
today we're like,
It's great. No, yours, remember? And my car's also crazy, but yours has more. But that's okay. You know why? Because at least it's a V.
I don't know.
Bruh. I think I don't have this card actually. I don't have this version of it. So let's put it in. Do I have space for it? I have space for it. I gotta take out Electrode. I don't really like this Pikachu. Plus, it has low health. So, I'm taking out that Pikachu. Well, I'm putting it in from this sucker because, look at this, 40. So, I'm putting Pikachu there. And now I have to move some cards. But I can't believe I got V. Let's go. I'm gonna make more videos like this, so stay tuned. Sorry I'm talking weird, but I just got my new power expander, bottom power expander. So let's go. We got a B. Sometimes you don't even get rares. So I'm lucky. I'm just so lucky. I'm gonna give these energies to my sister. Bruh. I just can't believe that I got a V. Let's see that V again. And I'm gonna watch it over and over. Oh, that'd be sick. That V is so sick. Let's go. Bruh. Let's go. Okay. So let's see. Do I have any yellows in this? Oh, sorry guys. I have one yellow in this. Well, at least I got cards. Yes. And I have space for it. Oh, this one too. I don't think I got that, but just I saw it laying around right there. Bro, I just can't believe it. We went crazy. Greens. Okay.
Mom,
I got a green.
Mom. Dad says to take the batteries out of the tiny clock in my room. In my room. No, actually, this one. He said to take out the AAA batteries from this one.
Bruh. Another green. Don't forget about the main card. Charizard. This came out 2020. So sick. Oh. Let's see. Now I'm going to show you the card labels. 2017 card. Okay. Not bad. Another green. This one came out 2020. 2020 card again. Let's go. Okay. Now blues. Water. I think my waters are full already. So I'm just gonna what should I do with all these blues? I mean, I want these blues in. They deserve life. So I'm gonna put them in my extra spots. So that's an extra spot pile. Another extra spot. Okay.
Again, in the car, again, then I will get maybe some lunch at the same time.
Okay. Let's look. I have a Snorlax, just it's not the same. And this is more points. Bruh. I'm just taking out Meowth and putting him in the extra cards pile. Meowth sucks.
He said check everywhere in the house if like, there's something. Like look in things like that. That's how I'm thinking.
Okay. I didn't get any blacks in this pile. Okay, let's see the trainers. Did I get any people trainers? Do I have this one already? Do I? No, I don't. I don't have that.
Nothing is AAA.
Okay. Let's see the balls. Next ball. Now great ball. I just can't believe I got a V.
Come on, stop messing with your thing.
You know, Daddy gets to come in here and use the bathroom for like 25 hours.
Okay,
Because he locks the door actually.
I'm gonna give these to someone because
Oh, mine doesn't have that.
I feel bad for people who don't have cards. Well, my friends have cards, but just not like good ones. I just can't believe it. Okay. Extra card pile. Also this one. And yeah, that's trade piles. Trade. This is going for trade. Okay. Do I have any more trainers? No. Wait. Okay. Now all my trainers. Okay, now extra pile. Extra goes in extra. I just okay. Okay, all my cards that want to go in here. And my new energy cards go to my sister. Maybe I'll give this to my sister. What do you think, guys? I guess so. And guys, let's see that V again. Okay, since I'm done. That's sick. I'm gonna show that to my dad. I'm gonna bring you guys also. Hey, Dad. I'm not recording you. I'm just recording half of you. I'm recording half of you, but look what I got.
Oh my gosh.
It's a V.
190.
That's good.
It looks good.
That's my first V.
Really?
Yeah.
You open everything?
Yes. And that's... My dad's happy about it. Look at my first V. Want to see it? No, I'm talking to Evan. None of them want to see it now. Let's see when this came out. 2020, let's go! Okay. And Pokemon stickers are gonna come tomorrow or today. And bye, guys. Bye.